Hello everyone, it's me again, Tammy with Southern Angels Boutique. Well, since I haven't been able to really get any crafting videos up lately, I decided I'm going to try and get my crafting room back situated. I thought we were going to move, and we haven't found a place to move yet. So I decided, yeah, I'm just going to have to get my room situated because I've gotten tired of going up and down the stairs. It's just too hard on me. And I kept bringing stuff down, and now my stuff is just everywhere and scattered, and it's just, the house is a mess. And I'm just got to the point where I can't live like this anymore, and the waiting is just ridiculous. So I'm back to trying to get my room situated. I rearranged a few things, like this here. I moved from over here, and it's a mess in here. But this desk was over here, and I just kind of pushed it on this wall, and I moved a few things around. This was out in the middle of the floor, and I didn't like it. My room is very small, and it just took up the whole room. So I put it over here because I've been wanting, you know, like an L-shaped desk or something. This desk is about to fall apart. It's so old, so I have to keep it pushed up against the wall with something, or it's just going to collapse on me. It's an old computer desk. So this little table that I bought when I first moved here to Kentucky from Georgia works out pretty good. I just wish I had a little bit more room or something on it. I don't know. Like I said, I need something. I wish I could afford like the IKEA tables or something and then get drawers under it, but I can't. And I bought these a year or so ago. They're not the exact 12 by 12, and I can't put my paper in them like I had thought I was going to be able to. So anyway, I moved that over here, so that doesn't take as much room. I had all of my colored stuff because I work better by color and themes like that. So it was getting hard to pull out stuff. Now all this stuff's organized because it's just got different kinds of junk in it right now. So I have to organize all that. And I took all my colored stuff and I organized it. And I still have to put labels on it. So like my white flowers, now I have plenty of white trim. Pink trims. Pink flowers, red flowers, and trims. I just put them all together because I don't have that many in that drawer sticks. My purple trims, purple flowers, green and blue trims. I don't have that many, so they're together. Green and blue flowers, they're mixed together since there's not that many. Yellow and orange trims are mixed since there's not that many. There's really no orange trims in there. And yellow and orange flowers, as you see, there's very few. So, they're all there. Now, I took out my like bling and pearls and stuff because it was hard to find all that mixed in with the trims and flowers and stuff. So I moved them, which takes up more room, but I got tired of digging trying to find the stuff. And in these drawers, these are smaller, so I thought, okay, I'm going to try this. If I need the drawers, then I guess I'll have to put them in with the flowers, since the flowers don't take up as much room. But I liked being able to see the stuff. I need to see things. I'm a person that has to see things to be able to find my stuff. So, like, here's all my pearls and, like, feathers and, you know, stuff like that. And So that's the whites, my pinks and reds, you know, my oranges and yellows, my greens, my blues, and of course my purples. Got more purples than anything. And then I have an extra drawer down there, and this is for my slice machine up here. So that's what I've done so far. I already did, I've still got to figure out my inks. I don't like this for my pens, really. I'm hoping to get something better for my pens, but that's what I did so far, because I want to keep them, you know, color coordinated, and they won't stay that way in this. I don't have an ink storage, really. So, this is what I've got here so far. This is okay for my pens. Like I said, I've got a mess. Like the distress pens, I've got, you know, in here. Other, like Sharpies, you know, I've got in these drawers. Just all over the place, aren't you? You know. So, these drawers work fine for all that. What else I got? Oh, gel pens. I haven't figured out what's going in there yet. Oh, and watercolor. I love these. These are so good. The Spectrum watercolors. Now, if I get more, I don't know what I'll do, but I know I won't be getting more anytime soon. I've got my blocks, and so far I just put all my little notepads in there. If they stay in there, I don't know, because I may go over there next to where my computer will go. But I thought they fit perfect in that little drawer, and I had no idea what I was going to put in those little drawers. Like I said, I just put all my inks right here, which I'm not real crazy about, but for now, that's where they're at. These little drawers, I didn't know for sure. I'd bought them, thought I was going, and then I thought, well, what am I going to do? I'm going to have to fasten them if they're going to be like this, because they don't stay. So I'm not sure how I'm going to fasten them. I don't want them permanently fastened. If y'all have got an idea how I can fasten them, but without, you know, them just being permanently fastened. So in case, you know, I change my mind and want to do something different, but I want them to where they're not sliding all over the place. I've got these little peg stamps in these because they fit perfect. I like that. You know, hot glue, multi-glue, and then the colored glues in there. But all those peg stamps fit perfectly in these, and I like that. So that worked out great in these, and I've got some extras over there. Not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. But, and they're a little bit different. I think they're a little bit smaller. I think these are the ones I got from Dollar Tree, and I really like them a lot better. The other ones I think I bought online. Wasn't crazy about them. So I was really glad I had gotten these. But yeah, if you guys can tell me how I can fasten these to where they won't be sliding. But like I said, not a permanent stick. Let me know in the comments. And like I said, that's just a mess. I'm still working there. I've got some of my paints, you know, that I'll be using mostly like right behind me. My daughter helped me with that. She was like, why don't you put that right behind you and get it off your workstation? And then that way I can reach it, because I knew it wouldn't fit in the square. And then I've got, you know, other paints will probably go over there. Now what I was going to work on today was, see, my paper's a mess. So that's what I'm about to work on now. Now I don't know if I'm going to keep it over here on this shelf or move it over here in these cubes. I haven't decided yet. But that's what I'm about to work on. So, when I get done with that, I'll show you. what I've done with it, and where I end up putting it. So I just wanted to show you, you know, what I've done so far, what I'm about to do, and I really wish the paper would have fit in these cubes, would have been nice, but that's okay. I can, you know, I'm always using it for these things holds a lot, so it's great to have that for other storage. And right now I'm just using it to throw like odds and, you know, like odds and ends, and then later on I'll organize it. That's why I put those little tags to remind me to go back and organize. That's not important to me right now, you know, getting all my paper back up here and organizing it to where I can find it. So when I want to do a project like cards and all that, that's what's important to me. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I've got to get my washi tape back up in here, because as you see, my drawers look pretty empty, and I've got washi tape. My daughter stocked me up on washi tape. As you see, my stamps, or punches, not stamps, my punches, well, my stamps are down there too. My punches are empty. They're all downstairs. So, and I also need to do a catalog. I had started one time before. Never finished it. I'm not even sure where it's at. Years ago, I started a catalog. I either need to update it or restart a new one. And that way I'll know what I've got and everything. And if you don't have a catalog, and I'm sure most of y'all do, of your craft items, any of you new crafters out there that are just starting out, I suggest you do a catalog of every item you have. Your paints, markers, punches, stamps, everything. Start it now. Because your sprays, I mean everything. I'm going to have to go through probably and restart, and that's what's going to take me time, because I don't even know where my catalog is. And let me tell you, that's what takes time. But in the long run, it's worth it. Now, it's up to you if you want to do it on the washi tape. The washi, you know, you go through washi so fast usually. That's up to you if you want to do washi. But other things, you know, paint and you know, the mica powders and Pearl-Ex and stuff like that. That's and glitters. That's what you want to have in your catalog, because inks and stuff like that, you want to have that in your catalog so that you know what you have and you don't go repurchase it, because you're going to forget, oh, do I have that color? You know. And like I say, it's up to you if you want to do that with your washi tape. Take a sample of that and put it in there or not. So anyway, excuse my mess, but it's in a process. And I hope I can get it done and get back to doing some crafting, because I've got lots of stuff to get done. I like purple, but I really like the lavender because I like shabby chic, so I'm hoping I can get it to look like that in here instead of just dark purple. So I'm hoping I can get it to look more shabby chic in here. So anyway, hope you like this video. If you have any suggestions on anything, please comment below. Please share. Please like. That's very important for my videos. And please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.